nothing.
Ooh, Jake sucks.
Okay, we'll see about that. 2-1.
Ooh, Tyler sucks.
I think I found something.
What is it, Ty?
I think it's a sonic screwdriver.
So, what you gonna use it for?
Well, that's one use for it.
Yeah. And we all know how this is gonna end. The power's gonna get to your head and things are gonna get ugly.
Harrison's right. You really should put that somewhere else. It's not worth the risk.
Come on, guys. You know me. This is entirely foolproof.
I can't believe it.
I know, right? Who would have thought this was actually foolproof?
I mean, he's just fixing his dad's lawnmower.
Yeah, and earlier he was helping the neighbors out with their cable box.
That works out for everybody. Looks like it's gonna be all right.
Oh yeah, no, I got something to fix it for you. Yo, Seth's car broke down. I'm gonna go help him with my Sonic. I'll be right back.
We got nothing to worry about.
I hate it when this happens. Why can't they just make cars that don't break down?
I hear you, man. I hear you.
Like, this is the 5th time this year. Why even have a car at this point? A horse may be slow, but at least it won't die on multiple occasions. Hey, there we go. We can get out of here now. Ty? Ty, where are we going, man?
So, what do we do now that we don't have to worry about Tyler?
Let's worry about something else that doesn't affect us. Hello?
Bro, Tyler just stole my car.
He stole it?
Yeah, I was still leaning on it and everything.
Quick, find Tyler using Snapchat maps. It's okay, Seth. We're on our way to go get him right now.
What about me? I'm stranded in the parking lot.
Okay, it says he's at old Mrs. Jenkins' house. He's probably trying to break in with his Sonic. All right, let's go.
Guys, I'm still here. I still need help.
Quick, let's take his car. Wait, if his car's here, then how did he get there?
Jesus Christ. What was I thinking?
God damn! Ty, wait, don't!
Do what?
Break into old Mrs. Jenkins' house.
She's away and her dogs are locked inside. I'm here to get them out.
But what about Seth's car?
Figured this was more important than Seth.
Well, I mean, he's right, really.
See? I told you guys this was foolproof.
Sorry, Ty. We should have known better.
Don't worry, guys. I'll only use my Sonic for good.